Welcome to Car Apex, your go-to channel for the latest updates and reviews on the most exciting vehicles on the market. Today, we have something truly special to discuss, the 2025 Honda S2000. The Honda S2000 has always been a beloved sports car, known for its thrilling performance, sharp handling and timeless design. After a long wait, Honda has officially announced the return of the S2000, and fans of the legendary roadster couldn't be more excited. But what can we expect from the 2025 Honda S2000 in terms of price and features? Let's dive into all the details. The 2025 Honda S2000 will continue its tradition of offering an exciting driving experience, with a few updates to keep up with modern technology and consumer demands. The price of the 2025 Honda S2000 is expected to start around $50,000, and this price point places it right in line with other high-performance sports cars, while still being relatively affordable compared to competitors in the segment. It's an attractive option for driving enthusiasts who want an affordable yet powerful sports car. Now let's talk about the features you'll get for that price. Under the hood, the 2025 Honda S2000 will feature a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, likely producing around 300 horsepower. This will give the car plenty of power, while maintaining the handling precision that made the original S2000 so famous. It will come with a 6-speed manual transmission, giving purists the option to engage with the car in a more direct, traditional way. There are also rumors that a dual-clutch transmission option could be available for those who prefer an automatic, making the driving experience even more versatile. In terms of design, the 2025 Honda S2000 is expected to stay true to its roots, with a sleek, low-slung body and aggressive lines that scream performance. The front fascia will likely feature a modernized version of the classic S2000 headlights, while the rear will sport a more sculpted look with updated taillights. Overall, the car will retain the same iconic roadster aesthetic, with a few modern touches to make it feel fresh and contemporary. Inside the cabin, expect a driver-focused layout with minimal distractions. The interior will feature premium materials, including leather upholstery and high-quality finishes, along with a digital display for the gauge cluster. While the S2000 has always been a car meant for driving enthusiasts, Honda will ensure that the 2025 model is equipped with the latest tech, including a modern infotainment system, smartphone integration, and possibly a few advanced safety features like lane keeping assist and collision warning. As for the availability, the 2025 Honda S2000 is expected to hit showrooms sometime in late 2024 or early 2025. This means that if you're interested in getting your hands on one, it's best to keep an eye on Honda's announcements for official release dates and availability in your region. Overall, the 2025 Honda S2000 promises to be an exciting and relatively affordable option for anyone looking for a modern sports car with a connection to its classic roots. With its expected starting price of around $50,000, and this car will offer a thrilling driving experience that enthusiasts can't miss. Thank you for tuning in to Car Apex. Make sure to like, subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss any of our future content on the latest cars. See you in the next video.